Hi, I'm lemon water. I help flush toxins from your body and support digestion. I wake up your system and help your liver do its job better.
Hi, I'm watermelon. I'm packed one body panel. I feel refreshed, support your muscle rate and cool.
Hi, I'm cinnamon. I help regulate blood sugar and improve circulation. I support metabolism and keep your body feeling balanced and energized.
Hi, I'm lemon. I wake your body up and help flush out toxins. Hi, I'm avocado. I protect your heart with healthy fats.
If you ever wanted to create animated food videos like this using AI but didn't know where to start, this video is from ChatGPT. We've got an image prompt and we also have the video prompt. So the first thing that we do, we copy the prompt for the image. So we're going to visit Higgsfield AI. With Higgsfield AI, we're going to come to Nano Banana Pro. And then we come here to the prompt section and then we paste the prompt that we got from ChatGPT. And then we're going to scroll down and then we click on this button for unlimited so that we don't waste our credit. And then we're going to select the dimension 16:9. There are wide range of dimensions. And then we're going to come here to the resolution. So we're going to go with 2K. So the 4K is no longer unlimited. So I'm going to just click on unlimited for the system to generate. While it's still generating, I can still go back to ChatGPT and then select the second prompt. So I'm going to copy the second prompt and go back to Higgsfield AI, still in a queue, and then I just click on describe the scene, and then I'm gonna paste it again and comes here to unlimited so that it doesn't take any of my credit, and then just change the resolution to 2K and click on unlimited to generate. Okay, so now we have the this one has failed. It's fine. That was just for showing you. And then we already have these images that we just generated before, and then we've got the lemon in the glass, and then we've got cinnamon, we've got turmeric, and then we also have banana, watermelon, apple, a flaxseed, and lemon again, and we also have the green tea here. Okay, so these are some of the images that I created before. They are so beautiful, and then they are high resolution, so I'm actually happy with everything on this site. So the only thing that is left now is just for me to download the image. So we can come click on this image of the watermelon, and then click on this arrow that is facing down to download the image. Okay, so now we are done generating the images. So the next step is to turn these images into the video. So the next tool that we're going to be using is we're gonna be using a Grok AI. So Grok AI will help us to turn these images into the video, and then they will also have the voices. Okay, so we are on Grok AI, so we're gonna need to click on create image. Though we are not creating the image, we are only turning the images that we created on the Higgsfield AI. We're going to turn them into the video. Okay, so now we're gonna click on this link sign so that we can just upload the file, which is gonna be the image that we just generated. So I'm gonna just click on here, and then while it's still uploading the image, we're gonna go to ChatGPT. So we're gonna come here to ChatGPT to copy the prompt so that we can use it on Grok AI to customize our images to turn them into a video. Okay, So now we've got, immediately remember when you are using Grok, immediately when you put the image there, automatically it will just create a video for you. So now we're going to click on customize a video. So I'm gonna be just pasting the prompt that we just got from ChatGPT, and then we click on this arrow so that it can start creating the video with the sound that we need. Okay, so I'm gonna just wait for some few seconds, and then after we'll come back. Okay, so now we've got two videos. Let's start with the first one that the Grok has automatically created for us. Let's just unmute it. You see, it's just laughing. See the customized one.
Everything cool. Hi, I'm Watermelon. I'm packed right body finally. I feel refreshed. Support your mind's everything cool. Hi, I'm
That's
Watermelon.
so beautiful, man. It's very, very interesting and educational.
Cool.
So all we have to do now is to just download the second one. If you also want your video to take longer, you can just take them both. Like I can just take them both. When I edit, I will just put them together. Okay. So this is the way to do it. You can just bring all of your images, and then with the prompt that you got from ChatGPT, and then you paste it right here. So with this one, we are done with creating everything. So now is the time for us to put everything together and create a video. This is how easy it is to create this kind of videos, and I'm also gonna leave the prompt in the description box so that you can just access it easily. And then I'm afraid we came to the end of our video for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.